Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the day 2 of logic building series. If you don't know about this series contains multiple modules that help you a lot to grow your career in data structures and algorithms. So, in this video, I will teach you about palindrome number. How can we check whether a number is palindrome or not? Basically, what is the definition? What is the basic definition of palindrome number? A palindrome number is a number that remains the same when its digits are reversed. That means, let's take a simple example. If we have a number digit, if we have a number 121, as so in example 121, when we reverse it, it is also 121. That means original number is equal to reverse number. That's why it is palindrome. Now I am going to implement this through the code. I am using C++. You can use whether Java, Python, whatever you want. The logic remains same in all. You have to build your logic. This is the main motive of our series, logic building series. Okay, now let's implement it through code. First we write what we are going to write the boilerplate, that is has include bits slash stdc plus plus dot h. Okay, if you don't know what is this contain all the library, that means math, algorithm, iostream, numeric, that's all. That's why I include only this. Okay, now using name space std, now we have a main function int main. Okay, and that's all. We create our own function name int check palindrome. Okay, in this we declare a variable and now what is the basic logic? If you haven't watched my previous video, then go and watch first, because in previous video I had told you how to extract the number. That means basically how we can find the last digit, and that's all, how we can extract the number basically. Now we have to declare a variable int reverse. That means int rev is equal to 0, and basically and another variable dup, that is equal to n due to the contradiction. Okay, and that's all. Now we are using while loop here, and it's great whenever n is greater than 0, we have to perform the following action. The following action, that means we have to find the last digit. Int last is equal to that number modulo 10. The work main motive of this modulo 10 is basically, let's understand this through an example. 1 to 1, for example, we have 1 to 1. Whenever 1 to 1 modulo 10, it gives us 1, that is the last digit of 1 to 1, that is 1. Okay, now we have n is equal to n divided by 10. This gives us the next part. That means 121 divided by 10 gives us 12.1. Now you all know that the data type of n is integer, so that's why it neglects the 1, and we have 12. Okay, and 12 modulo 10, this is nothing but 2. So we got 1, we got 2, and after that 12 divided by 10 gives us 1.2. 2 neglected, we have 1 modulo 10 is nothing but 1. So we get all the digit 1 to 1. Now we have to reverse this. So how can we reverse this? we have a simple logic to reverse the number. Reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus last digit, and that's all. As the logic is simple, now we can check if the original number, that is duplicate, equal to reverse number, then we have to print s. This is palindrome. Okay, palindrome. Yeah, and that's all. If and else, we have to print no. Simply no. In C++, I use cout. In Java, we can use system.out.println. In C, we can use printf. In Python, we can use print, and that's all. Okay. Now we can call this function into main function. In 10 C in n. What is the name of function? Check palindrome. Control C, Control V, gives the input into it, and after that let's see what will be the output. Let's see. Open the terminal. Now we are going to run our command g++ file name and a tab. Now we are going to giving input. Suppose we have a number 121. Yeah, this is palindrome. Now you can check whether for this, anything else. G++ yt.cpp a tab, and now giving an input 320. 320 is not palindrome, so that's why the output is no. We get our desired output. Okay, so that is the very simple logic. What we want, what we have to check, it keeps us all. So that's all. That's very simple logic. If you haven't know, if you are no, if you're new to my channel, then what are you waiting for? You can subscribe my channel for this, for the amazing video. Yeah, and if you haven't followed me on Instagram, social media platform like Twitter, LinkedIn, the link is in the description. If you want to see my ratings on lead code, CodeChef, Kicks for Gigs, the link is in the description. So that's all. Thanks.